A leader whose name echoes not just across Pakistan, but across the globe. A leader whose legacy will be etched in the annals of history. Imran Khan. He is not just the best leader Pakistan has ever known. He stands out as a beacon of hope and integrity in a world riddled with challenges. His fame transcends borders, reaching the hearts and minds of people across the Arab world. But his most defining trait, the one that sets him apart, is his capacity to unite the Muslim community, a community fragmented and often misunderstood. He has potential, the charisma, the unwavering commitment to become central figure of the Muslim world, a leader they can trust, a voice they can rally behind. His greatest achievement, an achievement that surpasses even the glory of the World Cup, was his historic speech at the United Nations. A speech that resonated with millions, a speech that articulated the hopes, the dreams, the anxieties of Muslims across the globe. It was a speech that embodied the soul of Islam, a speech delivered not by an ordinary man, but by a lion of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. We are at a point in history where we need leaders like Imran Khan, leaders who can stand tall, who can speak truth to power, who can inspire us to reclaim our rightful place in the world. The world is in a state of disarray, its leadership often lacking vision and integrity. It is time for a change, a time for leaders who can unite, who can guide us towards a brighter future. It is time for us to march forward with dignity, with a leader who embodies our values, a leader who can lead us to a world where we are not just ruled, but where we rule, where we stand united and strong. Let us rise to the occasion. Let us embrace the leadership of Imran Khan, and let us together build a future where justice, peace, prosperity reign supreme.